everyone, and welcome back to Code with Pratik. In this video, I have brought an exciting opportunity for you all to learn and acquire Google Cloud skills, and these skills can be acquired by performing hands-on labs. So this challenge is called as Learn to Earn Cloud Challenge, and it is by Google Cloud, and those hands-on labs will be performed on Qwiklabs. So let's see what it is exactly. So the challenge has began on 13th of September and is live till 10th of October. So what you have to do is I'll share all the links in the description. Just visit this page. So once you visit the page, you will get to see the entire timeline. That is, this is a limited time offer valid from 13th September till 12th of October or earlier. So or earlier because there are limited slots for each challenge, and once those slots are filled, then you might not be able to participate in it. So what you have to do, you have to reach the challenge FAQs, prize FAQs. So again, I would like to tell that along with the hands-on experience with labs, Google has also shared an opportunity for you all to earn this exciting goodies and swags. So how to complete those labs? So let's talk about that. So how does it work? So once you visit this page, you will be able to see 4 challenges on this page, that is essentials, data, architecture and security. Each of the challenge has a unique access code. So for essentials, this is the access code. For data, this is the access code, and likewise for architecture and security. So if we talk about prizes, so it says complete games and earn badges to take home one of the exciting prizes. And top tier prize are if you earn all 4 badges, then you might get this. If you earn 3, then you might be getting a Google Diary maybe. And for 2 badges, there's this zipper, and for 1 badge you'll get around 30 free Qwiklab credits to practice your cloud skills. So these are the FAQs. Join all 4 learn to earn challenge games. Complete all 8 labs in each of the 4 games. So basically I'll also demonstrate how to complete those labs. So there's only one prize per participant, and prizes are not cumulative across tiers. Okay, so these are available only while supplies last. So this is limited time only. And there are some basic FAQs like why should I join the challenge? Because cloud skills are in demand. So each of the cloud like Azure, AWS and GCP, everyone is promoting in different manner so that students acquire cloud skills. So you should all learn these skills as it is a necessary skill. And moreover, what you can do is you get badges after completing this skill. You can also mention your Qwiklabs profile in your resume, because it would indicate that you know cloud and you have acquired certain badges by completing certain challenges. So you can read the entire FAQ later. So almost all the FAQs are answered here. And if you have any doubt, even after reading the FAQs, you can post in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them all. So these are prize FAQs. So you can read them all as well. How do I get a prize? When will I get a prize? And stuff like that. So now we'll move ahead with the challenges. So the first one is essentials. So to join the challenge, you'll have to click on join now. And as I have signed in, so you are able to see the screen, or else if you are not signed in, you will be asked for a access code. So you'll just have to copy and paste this code in the access code window. So once you do that, you will be able to log into the challenge page. And so you can see here there are 5 days remaining for this challenge, and it has only 4,437 spots remaining. So if you are able to join in these spots, then you'll be able to complete all those badges. So you'll be also able to see your standings here. So as I've completed, I guess, around 6 labs. Yeah. So as I've completed around 5 labs, you can see my this is my score, because this is in a gamified way. So you'll get a score based on your time of completion, and this is my standing. So likewise, you have all the challenges. This is for cloud essentials, this is for this is for data, this is for architecture, and this one's for security. So each one of them have a certain time limit, so you'll have to join it within this time period, and you'll have to complete those labs. So once you click on join the game, you'll have to enter the access code. So as I've entered into the security challenge, I'll have to enter the security access code, and once I enter that, and I'll be able to join this challenge. So you can see, as I haven't completed any of the security challenge, so my score is 0 and my standing is 5,803, and there are still 4,197 spots remaining. So this is how the challenge is. So for those of you who haven't used Qwiklabs yet, I'll demonstrate an example how you will be able to complete the challenges. So once you come on the challenge page, you'll be able to see these labs. So once you open any of the lab, you'll be taken to a page. So this is the lab page. So you'll have all the steps and everything in detail. Do read it all, because if you read it, you'll easily understand all these things. And that's the main motive of these challenges, because if you don't read it and if you simply go on completing the labs, you won't acquire any knowledge about cloud. So do read them all. So once you open this page, you'll have to click on start lab, and once you click on start lab, you'll be able to get credentials like username and password for this lab. And simply you have to follow this step, simply you have to follow all the steps, and you'll be able to complete all the labs. And all certain labs have a score, so you'll have to click on check progress if you have completed the task as required, and if not, you'll have to revisit the lab, and you'll have to do the changes again. So this is how you'll be able to complete a quick lab. So do share this video with all your friends so that even they can participate and acquire cloud skills. And also, if you have any kind of queries, do feel free to put them in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them all. And for those of you who have completed the Azure challenge and have earned a certification voucher, I'll be coming up with a video with explaining entire process on how to book the exam and all the process. I'll also make a video on how to prepare for Azure Fundamentals, that is AZ900 exam. So stay tuned, do subscribe to the channel, and do share with your friends. Yes, and thank you for watching.